venison main course. Guys, that's deer. Better get on with the starter. Gentlemen, good evening.
Nice to meet you. Chef.
Tom, good to see you.
Nice to see you. Max.
Max.
Hi,
Tristan.
Tristan.
Hi, Harry. You four are a bunch of old Etonians.
Yeah.
And all of you think you've got what it takes to work in my kitchen. God help me. Okay. Tom, what's on the menu tonight?
Tonight we're going to do a crab spring roll with some chili dipping sauce. And then after that we're going to do venison pan-fried with some...
Too slow.
Too slow.
What are you laughing at, Harry?
Nothing, chef.
Yeah? We're not just cooking one table here, we're cooking 14. OK? Don't let me down, and more importantly, don't let yourselves down. OK, guys, on order, pike over table 11, 5 crab spring roll, 5 venison, 5 profiterole.
Yes, chef. Yes, chef. Yes.
No, chef.
No,
Forgive me, I was not listening to the first.
Yeah, well,
first
fuck
order.
off, Max, and wake up, OK? Max, come here a minute. Come here. If you don't listen, you walk over here,
my fault.
and you check what's on there,
Right,
OK?
clear.
Good.
5 crab.
Max and Tom, just come over while I put this one together, quickly. What's in there, Harry? Run me through it again, quick.
We got crab, obviously, we got sweet corn, we got coriander, we got spring onions, we got the lime, salt and pepper, obviously.
Don't shout, I'm only here.
Sorry.
Thank you, don't worry. I'm only here.
Okay, yes, sir.
A tablespoon of grain mustard. Right, let's roll one together, shall we? A little bit of seasoning on there, yes?
Yes, sir.
And then make a nice sort of, almost like a sausage shape, yeah? Just 1/3 in, up, over, nice and tight, and just pull back. Press down. Your ends there. Tom?
Yes, chef.
You look like you used to roll these kind of things. Except we're going to fry this one, not smoke this one, yes?
Okay, yes, chef.
Yes? A little bit of egg white. And roll. Nice. Right, come on, guys, let's go. 8.
Yeah, Tom, we're gonna...
First table. OK. Let's dress the salad, shall we?
I need to do another one, that didn't work.
No, that's fine, that's
No,
fine.
it didn't. Look, it's ripped.
Holy shit. You've ruined what we've just done. Come on, you. And look, watch me. Your hands are shaking like mad. Watch. That's the customer there, facing you, OK? Come on, let's go. Yeah? Right, would you two pay for them? Yes or no? Come on.
Yes, chef.
Yeah, good. Go, please. Table 5. Go. Quick. Right, that's the first table out there, yes? Yeah. Far too fucking slow. Yes? Now we know what we're doing, can we work as a bit of a team?
Yes, chef.
So far, you're shit. Let's go.
Yes, chef.
Unbelievable. This has to be the hardest day's work these guys have ever seen in their entire fucking life.
The flavours in the sauce and in the spring roll themselves outshone anything I've had to do with crab before.
Couldn't taste the crab meat now, in amongst the seasoning of the mustard, and unfortunately, once I put it in the dipping sauce, it just was pure salt.
I've never had Cornish crab, so it was really nice to try something different.
Right, here we go.
OK, results for the starters, yes? Out of 50 guests, yes? Only 25 of them are paying. Yeah. Why, sir?
Too slow.
Too slow, clearly.
Far too slow.
Yep.
Too much mustard as well.
Did you taste it? Did you mix it?
Probably not every time.
No. Every time you make a new mix, you taste it. Not good? Not good at all? Nah. But why don't you try and pull it back for the main course, yeah? And get 50 out of 50 customers paying for the venison. Let's go, guys, yeah?